Our compere for the evening, TV and radio broadcaster and general legend, Chris Tarrant, OBE.
Yes, thanks. Follow the Prime Minister. Thanks, Enam. Alan Dedicoat.
Yes.
We did this. You and I were together at the very first one.
Indeed.
And I hosted the second one. I remember saying to Enam, don't know, mate, this ain't going to work. 7 years later, how wrong we all were. I am thrilled how much these awards have developed since we started now 9 years ago. I've been here on and off most years. Alan Dedicoat, voice of the Bulls, what's your favourite curry?
Oh, it'd have to be, if I were in Moseley in Birmingham, I'd go for a chicken jalfrezi, I reckon.
Can you say that in the voice of the Bulls? Give it a bit of...
bit of pizzazz. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight on the National Lottery Live, chicken jalfrezi, pilau rice, lime wedges, keema naan, coriander and red chilies.
Thank you.